Hey, welcome back to OZ from OzFx, and today I got a little bit of a different video for you. This is more of a video that I felt needed made due to the group. And by group, I mean my Discord, OzFx, the MI5 Trading Tribe. If you're in there, you know. If you're not, get in there. And since due to recent events, or somewhat recent events, the Apple Store has decided to take MetaTrader 4 off of the App Store. So everybody that wants to get MT4, if they don't already have it, they can't get it. So that leaves new traders that are trying to learn with a problem, right? And what I tell most new traders to do is you should definitely be demo trading first. You should be doing that until you get the hang of it, until you feel confident, until you've doubled your demo account, whatever your requirement is, right? Well, if they have trouble getting MT4, then that's a problem. And while you can download MetaTrader 4 on your computer, which I'm going to have a video for the exact way on how to do that as well, I wanted to show you guys how to set up a demo account on Tradingview. You can also trade live money on Tradingview as well. If you go down here to the trading panel, you can see down here they have multiple different brokers, but the thing about these brokers are they are regulated brokers, so they're in the US. I don't know if there's any down here that are used for outside of the US or not, but typically regulated brokers have less leverage. There is a thing called unregulated brokers and offshore brokers. You've probably heard of some of them. There is OzFx, which is the one that I use. There is CedarFX. There's ProsperityFX. There's EnvyFX. There's all kinds of them, and that's what most traders typically use because the leverage is a lot higher and there's different requirements as far as deposit and withdrawal goes, and it just normally makes it easier. I am not here to recommend a broker to you. I'm not affiliated with any broker. I'm just here to let you know how it works. But if you want to open a demo account and demo trade on TradingView just for the sake of learning, you go down here. Let me show you this again. First, what you do is here you're on the home page and you come down here to trading panel, and then you come here to paper trading by TradingView, okay? Then you press connect. All right, and then it comes up here with positions, orders, history, account history. Like as you can see, I got some trades in here, and trading journal. It even has everything that you do in here, but mostly you just want to keep an eye on the positions. You're only going to be pulling this tab up whenever you need to look at it. For the most part, this is going to be down here like this. So now that we have a demo account opened on TradingView, how do we actually place a trade? All right, well, let me go to a random chart here. All right, so I pulled up NOS 100 just for sake of demonstration, and what I'm going to do is, and this could even end up being a buy opportunity. I do see that we just swept some lows right here, and as far as structure goes, that's been moving up. It just took all this liquidity that was right here and liquidity that was right here. So whether this trade wins or loses, it doesn't really matter. I just want to show you how to place a demo trade. So what you do is, there's a couple ways that you could do this. Is you can right click, come down here to trade, and you could press one of these, but I've never done that before, and you press create new order, okay? And then this comes up. And now what I generally do, hold on, let me get this out of here. One thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to outline your trade. So wherever you're entering, if you're going to do a market entry, then you don't really got to worry about that, but you got to make sure you know where you're going to put your stop loss. You need to make sure you know what price point that's going to be. So let's just say we would put the stop loss. Let's just go here. So that's 114.94, okay? So we know that. And then you come in here to trade. You go to create new order. You want to make sure you're on a buy if you're buying, sell if you're selling, buy, sell. You got market orders, you got limit orders here, and you got stop orders. For a limit order, you would put the price that you want the limit to activate. Then you would come down here and check stop loss. You would fill out the price, and then you most likely would be changing this risk number to whatever you want to risk. But since we're just going to enter right here, I'm just gonna show you how we do this. We're on a buy. We want the stop loss to be 11494.2. And then you come up here, let's just say I want to do 2% risk. And that's one of the good things about demo trading on TradingView is you don't actually have to do any conversions for lot sizes. You don't got to figure out what your lot size is. You don't got to figure out what you want to risk, because you can literally just put in the stop loss and the amount or the percentage that you want to risk right here, and it automatically figures out your risk for you. So then what you would do is just press buy, and then these two lines pop up right here. These are your execution labels right here that pop up. You can just exit them out. And as you can see here, it shows you how much you're risking. It shows you what your profit or loss is. And then if you want to add your take profit, all you do is you click this TP right here that says add take profit, and you just move it on up. So we'll just say you were going to take your take profit right there. This would pop up. You press modify. As you can see, another order label pops up over here. And like I said, it doesn't matter whether this wins or loses, but let's just say you wanted to take some profits, okay? First, you want to press X right here. You press close position, and then this partial close will come up, and you press partial, and then I got 37 units on there. Let's just say I wanted to close 15. Partially close, and it closes some of it. Another thing that you can do is you right click in here, go to trade, go to trading settings, and you want to make sure, well, you don't want to make sure, but if you want to see your executions, you can press this executions button right here, and it will give you your arrows right there. So you can see here I bought here, and it's saying that I sold here because I took partials, because I sold some of my position back. And another thing, if you want to be able to partially close your position, you got to have this instant orders placement turned off. If I turn this on, okay, and I press X, it just closes it automatically. It closes the entire position. So you got to make sure you go in here, go to trading settings, and turn off instant orders placement. And then down here on executions, you can also press execution labels, and it'll tell you exactly what you did here. You can change this to ticks or percentage. It's very customizable. It's very good for learning if you're just trying to learn how to trade, just trying to understand buying and selling and stuff like that as a beginner. Trading on Tradingview, on demo, can be very beneficial. Like I said, these other brokers in here, these are all regulated and US brokers for as far as I know. So whether you want to actually trade on Tradingview long term, like with actual money, that's up to you. I'm not here to make a recommendation either way. It's whatever you want to do. But alright guys, that's all I got. I just wanted to show you guys how to trade on demo with Tradingview. Have a good one.